Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the incredible world of virtual reality, or VR, to explore how it's changing our lives in ways you might not expect. You probably think of VR as a gaming thing, right? But trust me, it's so much more than that. Here's a look at how VR is reshaping education, healthcare, social interaction, and beyond. First up, let's talk about education and training. VR is changing how we learn and train by offering hands-on experiences. Students can explore different places like ancient Rome or outer space in 3D. This makes learning more engaging and helps them understand better with tools like Google Expeditions. VR is also important for job training. It safely simulates real-life situations in areas like aviation, engineering, and medicine. For example, surgeons can practice complex operations in a virtual environment. This helps them improve their skills and reduce mistakes in real-life situations. Next, healthcare. VR has important uses in healthcare, especially for medical training, therapy, and pain management. For medical students, VR simulations allow them to practice surgeries and diagnostic techniques safely. This gives them hands-on experience in a controlled setting. In therapy, VR helps with both physical and mental health recovery. Patients can do exercises in a virtual space for physical healing. Those with phobias or PTSD benefit from gradually facing their fears in a safe environment. Additionally, VR offers a non-invasive way to manage pain. It helps distract patients from pain during procedures and aids in handling chronic pain through apps like Pain Relief VR. And let's not forget social interaction and work. VR is changing how we interact socially and at work. It allows people to meet and work together in realistic virtual spaces, overcoming the limits of regular video calls. Platforms like Meta's Horizon Workrooms and VR Chat let individuals connect and collaborate from anywhere, creating a feeling of presence. Companies are also using VR for employee training, remote teamwork, and virtual co-working spaces. This technology provides a being there experience that improves communication and teamwork for teams that are not in the same location. Just a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now let's get back to it. Another fascinating application is in the fields of art, culture, and entertainment. VR is changing how we enjoy art, culture, and entertainment. Many museums now offer VR tours, allowing people all over the world to explore exhibits from home. This makes it easier for everyone to access and appreciate culture. VR also lets users attend live events like concerts, plays, and sports virtually. With VR, you can have an immersive experience, seeing the action from front row seats or even the stage. This technology is making these experiences available to more people. Now onto retail and real estate. VR is changing how we shop and buy real estate. In retail, VR lets customers try before they buy. They can virtually try on clothes or see how furniture looks in their homes. This helps reduce the number of returns. In real estate, VR offers virtual property tours. Potential buyers can explore homes from anywhere in the world. This makes it easier for them to make informed decisions without needing to visit in person. And finally, let's talk about military and emergency response training. VR is a valuable tool for training military personnel and first responders. It allows them to practice in realistic, high-pressure situations without real-world risks. Trainees can simulate dangerous events, such as earthquakes, floods, and combat scenarios. This training helps them improve their skills and make better decisions. Using VR enhances their readiness and lets them understand the challenges of emergency response and crisis management in a safe environment. So there you have it. Virtual reality technology is advancing quickly, leading to new ways we can use it. Its growth is changing many fields, including education, healthcare, entertainment, and real estate. VR is transforming how we experience our surroundings and how we interact with each other. It provides immersive experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds. If you're excited about the future of VR, then check out our video on 10 emerging technologies that will change our lives by 2030. It will blow your mind on the kinds of tech that's coming our way. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what kind of videos you want to see next here on the Know the 411 channel. See you next time.